Hello, in this video I will show you how to create roadblocks on Infinite Craft. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is open your Infinite Craft over here first on a browser, then add earth, then add wind. Now just simply add another earth. Now add fire, add another fire. Now add a planet. Now just simply add a planet. And now just simply add fire. That will give you computer. Now what you have to do is just simply add system to computer. That will give you software. Now once you have software, just simply add earth. Then add computer. That will give you a gamer. Now just simply add earth, water. Then add wind. Now after that, just simply add a plant. Then duplicate it. Now add over here. Now just simply add a tree. That will give you money. Now after that, then add dandelion. Then add a plant. Then add a dandelion again. Now just simply merge this with the money. After that, duplicate business. Then once you have corporation, add with the gamer. Then add game over here. So just simply find game, add it. Then add fire, water, another fire. Then add dust, another dust. Then add with the engine. Then add a planet right over here. Now just simply add them, and that will give you roadblocks. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.